Alright, welcome to my channel. For some time now, I've not been able to create a video. I'm sorry for that. I'm back from my holiday. So in this tutorial, if you followed me from my previous tutorial, you notice that we were treating the topic of blogging, how to start blog and make money on blogging. And what we treated last was how to design and where to design a free blog website. So today we'll cover how to start a paid blog, where to buy a domain and hosting, and I will also show you in this tutorial today the advantages and the disadvantages of a paid and free blog. So let's move on. First, let me show you where you can get a free domain, and have a giveaway for you in this tutorial. And in this giveaway, I will give you a free domain. You have a free domain. Only thing that you need is hosting. You will just buy a hosting, but I will give you a free domain name. You register a free domain name. So I will mention somewhere in this tutorial. So for that, don't skip any part of this video. So that once I mention how you can get this free domain, you will be able to get it. So let me show you the platform. I have just two platforms here that I recommend to all my viewers. All right. The first website I want to show you is Namechip. If you use the link in the description below, I will drop the link to the website. If you use the link, you will have a promo code. If you get .com domain, you have 50% off. This one is 74%. Just use the link in the description. So you can come here to Namecheap and buy a domain.com at $5, 5.9 $5.98. .online is just 98 cents. So you can register here. Now after buying it's just for you to click on this place and then type the name of your website, the domain of your website address that you want to register, and click on search. After that, you can come to hosting and select any of these hosting, and let's say you choose WordPress hosting. Here you have 30 days free trial. If you need a free trial, you can check how this domain is and you can cancel it at any time. So you can use the free trial to test how good Namecheap is. So the second website I want to show you is Netlight Systems. Use the link in the description below. On Netlight System, if you use the link in the description, you have a promo code. I will drop the link to my promo code in the description, so you will have a discount. So here you can register your domain here. Let's say I want to register for let me just say subs gadget. Let me just put a random this thing.com. Let me see what will happen. If this domain is available, let me check. All right, this domain have been registered already. Say this one is not available, someone else have taken it. By the way, this is my domain, so I will search for it. Okay, so this one is available. Look at it, 15,000 naira per year, and then you add it to cart and then click on check out. Then here you will be asked to register for hosting also. You can click here to add hosting. Alright, from here you scroll down. You can select any of these: the starter plan, the basic plan at 950 naira per month, the medium plan. So you click on order now, and then scroll down, select use a domain already in my cart. That's why I said you should add that one to cart first. So you click on use. Make sure on this drop down, click here, select on WordPress. The reason for this is that after getting this domain on your cPanel, you'll be able to install WordPress website on your site and then use. So click on checkout. Now scroll down, click on continue. Scroll down again. So everything, hosting and domain, for the full year you have it for 17,950 naira. So you can click on checkout, then a page will open. Now you can create. I have account with them already, but yours you can create a new account. If you don't have account with them, you will be asked to create a new account. So you create a new account and then click on complete order and make payment, just like that. Now I told you somewhere in this video that I will give you a free domain. So how do you get the free domain? Use the link in the description of this video. So use the link in the description below, and you will land on this page. So how do you get this free domain? This free domain is only available on the basic and the premium plan. So I'll give you, it's just for you to buy the basic plan or the medium plan. Then just buy the domain and the hosting for a whole year, and you will get a free .com.ng domain. .com.ng. So how do you do it? Click on order now, then scroll down so you can register for a new domain. And then but yours, you just here it will just direct you to where you can register for a new domain. So you just click on you choose your domain. When you choose your domain, on this other side, click on this drop down menu and select .com.ng and then click on checkout. Click on checkout. So this domain is available, softgadget.blogspot.com.ng. So click on continue. Now don't choose monthly or quarterly, choose a whole year. So with this you only pay 9,550 naira for a year, and then you will get free .com.ng domain. But if you don't need this, you have to pay that 17,950 naira with the with your own custom domain and hosting for the whole year. And don't forget, anytime before you click on continue, make sure you choose on WordPress so that you'll be able to install WordPress website. So and before you click on continue. So guys, that's how you get free. That's how you can get started with a paid blog, with purchasing domain and hosting. So now let me tell you the important, the disadvantages and the advantages of paid blog, and then we'll go, sorry, free one, and then you'll go for paid one. Now, if you don't have money, you can start. Yes, everything is free. But the disadvantages is that you won't rank so fast. You will not be able to monetize that website very fast. So it will take some time, let's say sometimes year, 1 year, 1 year, and sometimes getting to 2 years before you start making some quality income from that website. That is the disadvantages. So your website will be slow. Your website will be slow in terms of getting visitors, in terms of ranking on Google search engine or any search engine. But the paid one, the advantages is that if you pay for the website, for instance, let's say Namecheap or any of them, if you get any issue, you have someone here, you come to their customer care. This is their customer care icon. You click on it, you'll be able to chat with them. You can call them with their mobile number. Let me go back to the home page. This is their mobile number. You can call them from this number and report any issue you have. And one thing with Netlight System, I like them a lot. They respond quickly. Immediately you call them, they will pick the call and you speak with them, with their customer service, and any issue you have, they solve it for you. Secondly, because it's a paid plan, they have all the features you need to rank your website very fast on Google. You can index this website very fast. But the free one is not like that. The free ones, they are not like that. It will take time for Google to index that website. You'll be having so many issues. Yes. Sometimes they will tell you that your website is blocked by robot.txt. It's because of the hosting provider. It's just because of the hosting provider is a free plan. That's why they block it. So they need you have to upgrade it before. So there are many problems you encounter on free plan. So, but paid ones, you will not encounter problems. And if at all you encounter any problem, you go to your domain or your hosting company, and then render any request, any complaint to them, and they will solve the issue for you. So that is the advantages and the disadvantages of paid and free. Also, the free one have limit. There are some things you can't do. Yes, you'll be restricted. Some of them have subdomain. Some of them have a limit of how many blog posts, how many visitors you get per month, things like that. So I advise you go for a paid one if you want to make money instantly from your blog. So let's say you start like today, within 2 months you start getting visitors, and then you start making money from your blog. So if this tutorial helps you, if you find any value from this that I'm showing to you, please kindly subscribe and like this video.